So unfortunately, Finnish Brutality 2021, the Winter War edition, had to be canceled because of Finnish COVID restrictions on event size. However, we instead pivoted to plan B, which is to have just a handful of us here, and we ran about half of the match as a little private event because it was going to be really fun, and we still wanted to do it, and we wanted to talk about some of the cool stuff that was involved in doing a winter match. So instead of having 100 shooters here, we figured what better way to expand this out than to do a remote match. So we picked one stage, and it is our Kasarta Drill kettlebell stage from this year. And that we are opening up to submissions from all of you. So the idea is set up the stage, throw on a camera, film yourself shooting it, and submit your film, your time, your score, your run through the stage to InRange or to Varusteleka. And we're going to put together a whole bunch of videos of this stage being shot in different climates, different places, by different people with different guns. And it should be, hopefully, quite a lot of fun. So the basic setup is you need a 50-yard range, you need one steel target. We're using a reduced size IPSC silhouette. That's best. If you don't have that, use what you do have. We are using a 20 kilo or 45 pound kettlebell. If you don't have a kettlebell, use a rock that weighs 20 kilos or 45 pounds. And we have two fault lines that are set 15 meters or 15 yards, close enough, apart. And the idea is at the start timer, you start behind one fault line, you go prone, make one hit on the target, stand up, throw the kettlebell laterally across the range towards the other fault line. Where it lands, go to the kettlebell, go prone, hit the target, as many shots as it takes for you to actually hit the target once, leave your rifle on the ground, stand up, throw the kettlebell again. Every time you get it past the fault line that you're going towards, you get a 10-second bonus off your time. You then reverse direction and come back the other way, and you do this for a full 180 seconds. So the par time on this is, in fact, the stage time. Everyone runs it for 180 seconds, which may not sound like a lot until you're 90 seconds in throwing that kettlebell. I am going to go ahead and try it with our new What Would Stoner Do 2020 carbine. Do be aware, I'm going to be very careful not to stuff the muzzle of the gun into the snow, because I don't want to plug the muzzle. So when you see me being dainty and hesitant putting the rifle down, it's keeping track of the muzzle. Same thing obviously applies if you're in mud. Always be careful about jamming the muzzle of a gun into the mud when you're under stress and physically exerting yourself. So with all that aside, let's see how I can do with what I think is the best AR-15 out there. No deflects bullets.
Ooh. Ah! Oh, so close to 4. I love this rifle. You can get into short, quick, weird positions and just, the rifle doesn't care, it's so light. Shoot it one-handed, no big deal. Oh, whew. Snow makes this harder than normal.